So what do you do when your sister-in-law is coming over and she doesn't really appreciate all the flavor that you have built up on your grill? You need to clean it. And for me, the drill brush set, particularly the one in black designed for grills, works amazing. Let's go through it. Let me show you how it works and let me show you if it actually works. So a couple things that you're gonna want for this. You're gonna want your drill brush set. You want your favorite drill, some new power, and some basic safety gloves, kind of smart stuff. My first recommendation is I normally bake this thing at like 500 degrees for like 10 minutes, get the greasy stuff all cooked nice and hard, and then we're gonna grind it off. Let's take a look what's inside this set, and then we'll pick which one we think will be best for this application. So in this set, we have a round, two different sizes of round brushes, two different sizes of, I don't know what shape I would call this, but this is great for like spot cleaning. And then we also have two different sizes of like a large round scrubber. For me, I personally find the nice big like bulb style drill brush is the one I like to go with. Oh yeah, tighten that down nice and tight. Let's install some fresh power. Oh yeah, I like that noise, right? So now that I told you to bake this for like 10 minutes at 500 degrees, make sure you let it cool down because that won't be good if you don't. I've let this cool down nicely. One of my tips for you is take it somewhere far from the house or something. You don't want to get dirty because it definitely will distribute this cooked on grease a little bit into the air and wherever you're spraying it. So I like to do it on the side of the house. Let's go over there. I'll show you how I set it up. So this may be Captain Obvious, but I like to set it up so I am spraying downwind away from anything that I want to get dirty like the camera. So I'm going to spray it in the opposite direction. I have clamped it down nice and tight here, and we're just going to crank this up and grind it clean. Let's get to work on that. Let me bring you a little closer so you can see how it actually works. There you have it. That is my technique, my tip for silencing the sister-in-law we all have to deal with from every time. Sometimes my wife gets on me a little bit too. I love that extra flavor, but it's now all nice and clean. I gotta go get ready for the big game. I'll see you next time.